Also, on our sliding card um, file, on our sliding card widget, uh, so let's fix this. There's something we have to fix there, which is the asset name itself. So we didn't add the asset name param to the image widget, so we have to add that so that we can be able to change all the images we in different cards, so that all the cards will have different images and not the same image. So over here in our sliding card view, let's change the images in the let's add different images to the card itself. So before we are having one single image in all the cards, so let's add different images to the card. You can actually click on the image in your image folder and click on rename. So when you click on rename, you can copy the image name. So that's what I'm doing. I click on that, right click on my mouse, then I click on rename, then I copy the image name and I paste it inside the sliding card parameter for the image for the image name, which is the asset name. Also, let's change the names for all the different cards we have. Let's add a different name for the cards, and also we are going to change the prices for the cards, and also change the dates. We are going to change the dates for the cards too. So every single card will have different property, like all the properties will be different for each card.
That
go through the app and see what it looks like so far. So as you can see, the animations are working, but we are having one problem. If you look at the last card, the image in the last card is half, so it's not covering the whole, it's not been covering the part of the card it's supposed to cover. So let's fix the image issue we are having right now. So I'm trying to debug the issue we are having with the image property to find a way to fix that, and I want to add a print statement to the build to the widget build method. The best way to do that is to use kdebug mode in Flutter, and the kdebug mode we can import that and use an if statement in the top level of the build method, and we are saying that if we are in a debug mode, then the print statement should work. But if we are not in a debug mode, that should not work. That's why we are importing that that kdebug mode. So the issue here is with our offset, our offset parameter, and also with our image alignment. So we are going to recalculate the offset by having a variable called align card, and we are saying is equals to offset minus 1.0. And inside our alignment we are saying minus align card of absolute plus 1. And now you can see the issue has been fixed. So now the images are working while you scroll to the end. So we are no longer having that issue of the half image. Now let's add extra cards to the sliding card view. Let's add more cards to it. As you can see, even as we added another card, so we are still not getting the same error of the last card image being half. So everything is working properly right now. So let's see if there's something else we need to fix. So let's scroll through our code and see if there's something else we need to fix. So one more thing we need to fix is to add spacer in our card content. So let's add spacer in our card content. So that will basically bring the button and the text and the price text down to the bottom part of the card. Thanks for watching this part. Let's get over to the next part of the video.